Hi, my name is Shastri Kara. Let me introduce myself to you. I was born in Amlapuram, a small village in East Godavari district, which is in South India. From my birth, I was in Hyderabad, which is a cosmopolitan city in South India. And until I got my master's degree, I was there. And once I got my master's degree in mathematics, I moved to Bombay. From there I went to Dubai and then to Singapore and then to US and settled in US. Regarding the astrology, my father's two brothers, my father's one uncle and my grandfather, all are experts in Hindu astrology, and to the best of my knowledge, even their forefathers were also have some sort of knowledge about predicting the birth charts, using birth charts and basic Hindu astrology principles. And since it was a family tradition, and when I completed my 10th grade in 1979, I went and got trained in calculating the birth charts using the sidereal ephemeris in 1979 from my uncle. And during that time we didn't have any software, just like the J-Hora software or the AstroSage website where you just put in your birth details and it generates you the birth chart. We didn't have anything like that at that time. So I still remember how difficult it was to read the sidereal ephemeris day by day, gather the planets' inclinations, and then take the time of birth of the native and then calculate the exact inclination of the planet and then put it in the chart. And that was the time where I learned that this subject, if you want to be an expert in this subject, you need a passion. And my passion increased as time went by, and I was able to learn how to predict the birth chart using the fundamentals of Hindu astrology, and specifically the books written by B.V. Raman, How to Judge Your Horoscope, Part 1. And unfortunately, my father's uncle died all of a sudden, and everything got shattered. This was in 1980-81. And then I did learn the astrology from my other uncles, but it was not that encouraging and I didn't feel comfortable in learning. So I just kept quiet. After coming to US in 1994 and settling here in US, I started gathering all the books that I had it and went through it one more time. During that process, I thought of writing an automated code using Visual Basic, but it failed. I wrote it, it failed. So I stopped, I gave up that too. And fortunately, I think it was in 2008 or 9, I learned Java programming, and that's when I started, with the help of one of my ex-colleague and her husband, I started writing the Java code. Today, my Java code, it reads a birth chart, analyzes at least 150 to 200 possible combinations, which it is really impossible for anyone to remember it. And every time I get a combination and I think that it is worth, I write the code and insert it in my Java programs. So by doing that way, I was able to check the chart for a number of combinations, and I was able to calculate different dasa systems like the standard Vargottamari and then Vimsottari and then Yogini dasa. And apart from that, I was able to calculate the Dasapati and Antardasapati dasa systems, which was rarely found. And I found a book written in Telugu, and then I converted it to English. I put all that in one of the websites. Thus, most of the time I spend by analyzing the others' chart, other requesters who are requested to analyze their charts, request it and answer to their questions. And I do write some articles and post some of my opinions about celebrities and other important politicians. Most of my articles, you can find it in wordpress.com website, and the articles that were in PDF format, which are easy to be downloaded and printed, they are in Scribd website, gmail.com. Once you go to that website and type my name Shastri Kara, and then you will find around 50 to 100 articles, and you can pick whichever you want it. Now that I am trying to go to the next phase, I thought of starting a YouTube channel where I can give my articles that I am writing, I can give that in a video format so that people can view it rather than reading it. Some people are very good by reading it and then understanding. Some people are very good in viewing the presentations and understanding it. So I want to be in such a way that from both sides it is helpful for most of the people. This is my first video tube channel that I'm going to put it in, and hopefully you will like it. If you have any questions or any suggestions or anything like that, feel free to post it here, or you can send an email to my email address. It is pplastromag@gmail.com. I'll repeat again: P as in Peter, P as in Peter, L as in Larry, A as in America, S as in Sam, T as in Tom, R as in Russia, O as in Orange, M as in Mom, A as in America, G as in Girl @gmail.com. Thank you.